Many chiropractors claim they offer spinal decompression therapy for herniated discs and sciatica. But the thing is, most are using outdated traction tables that can actually make your condition worse, not the advanced DRX 9000 with its patented feedback system that prevents muscle guarding and precisely targets your damaged discs.
9mm disc herniation, and it is pinching a cord in my neck. 75% pain reduction, one treatment. So I started decompression therapy just 2 months ago. I have probably 90% reduction in pain at this point. It helped me escape surgery, a 3-level fusion, and I couldn't be more grateful. I could not recommend this place any more than I already do to everyone.
Did you know that astronaut spines stretch up to 3 inches in space? That's because the absence of gravity removes pressure from their discs. The DRX 9000 actually mimics this zero gravity effect right here on Earth.
It was debilitating. On the scale of 1 to 10, at some points it was a 10. I had some herniated discs. I had a hard time doing a lot of things. Most of the pain is gone. I'm still going through treatment, but I can run, I can bend over, I can reach, I can do a lot of things I couldn't do before when I had, the pain at that level. I've had 17 treatments. I'm almost pain-free.
But unlike basic traction that just pulls your entire spine, the DRX 9000 can isolate the exact damaged disc causing your pain. It's like the difference between using a sledgehammer and using a precision tool.
My name's Cameron Beckman. I was fortunately a member of the PGA Tour and now the Senior Tour for about 25 years. I had an unfortunate portion of my career where I got really bad drop leg, or drop foot, they call it, I guess, bulging disc. I think we did about 15 sessions. Well, I started getting better. All of a sudden, I didn't have drop foot, And so after I was done doing the sessions, I went back to my doctor and redid my MRI. And he looked at me and he said, "Cameron, I don't know what you've done, but the bulge has definitely gone down and we no longer need surgery." This machine, I actually won a tournament in 2021 as a 51-year-old guy on the Champions Tour. So had I had to have surgery back when I had drop leg, I might not have even been playing golf. So
if you're suffering from herniated discs, degenerative disc disease, or that shooting pain of sciatica, the DRX 9000 could be your non-surgical savior. It creates negative pressures inside your disc up to negative 200 millimeters of mercury, according to the research by Dr. Ramos, published in the Journal of Neurosurgery in 1994. This negative pressure actually creates a vacuum effect that helps pull herniated disc material back where it belongs. So we put her on the machine. It's been 9 months.
I'm doing
walking
fairly well.
Yeah. Pain scale 1 to 10.
No pain. Well, I haven't had pain in weeks.
The most impressive part though, the DRX 9000 has a built-in intelligence system that actually feels when your muscles tense up. When other clinics offer decompression therapy on basic traction tables, they're missing this crucial feature. The DRX 9000 represents a fundamental shift in how we treat back pain. Instead of jumping straight to surgery or masking symptoms with medication, this technology actually addresses the physical problem. By creating a negative pressure environment for healing within the disc, many patients find relief that they only thought was possible after going under the knife.
Zero back pain. Like none. You put me on the stretching machine, which feels actually amazing. You kind of wonder if it's going to feel good or not, but when it pulls you apart, it takes all that pressure off of your spine and feel amazing. So, it was like the weight of the world had been pulled off of my shoulders. It really, makes you feel amazing. Right away, you're like, can I please just stay in this thing forever?
So the next time you see an ad for spinal decompression, ask if they're using a genuine DRX 9000, because anything else is just fancy traction. The difference between traction and true spinal decompression could be the difference between temporary relief and actual healing.
I started treatment, I'd say beginning of September 24, 10 months-ish. So under a year, I would say I'm about 95% back to everything that I was able to do prior.
But the real question is, how much longer will you live with pain when this solution exists? Click the link below to learn more and schedule a consultation and introductory treatment. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you soon at Texas Spine Clinic.